everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're just unboxing the Powder Beauty Drawer. Now this is £10.50 a month and £3 postage and packaging, so it's about £13 all in all. So we're just going to open it up and let's just see what we have. This is the January edition, and some people are saying that this will no longer be going anymore, but I got my box. So here it is, the January Powder Beauty Drawer box. So it has a set of lemons. I just got that the set of lemons. Right, okay, so it looks full. It is. Look at all of that. We've got a lot of stuff. So we've got a Puka Turmeric Gold tea bag. Then we got the Murad Retinol Youth Retinol Eye Serum. As you'll see, there it is. And then we have got a cleansing tea, Puka cleansing tea. So it's nettle and fennel and peppermint. Then we got a Glossip Girl full coverage gloss. I don't know what that is. It is, I think it's a lip gloss. I'll just have a look at that in a minute once we have done this box. So then we got another tea bag. Now this is a detox, clean infusion, organic, aniseed, fennel and cardamom tea bag. So then we got a Darfin, can't pronounce it again. It is an Alexa Ox Hues essential oils. So this is like a moisturizer. I think it is a moisturizer. Not 100% sure on what it is, but we'll open it up just now and have a look. And then we got a Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash. So there we go. And then we got a Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Plumping Serum. There we go. Then we got a, what is this? This is an antitoxidant lip balm by the Organic Pharmacy, soft and smooth lip balm. Then we got a, what are you? You are a Crabtree and Evelyn Old World Jasmine Hand Therapy Moisturizer. Oh, we got a sleek eyeshadow palette. Now I love sleek eyeshadow. About that, just my partner shouted up something, so that was that. So this is the sleek eyeshadow palette. We're going for a multi-gym and he's just telling me to hurry up, so that's what it was. And we got a charcoal husk citrus oil cleanser. Now I think that this is for all hair types. Never tried charcoal on my hair, so maybe that's a first. I will let you know what it is like. Then we have got a Tropics Green. Oh, I got this in one of my beauty boxes 2 months ago, I think it was, and I really do like it, but it's expensive. That is about £9 for that little bottle. And then we got a Ginseng and Matcha Green Tea. Then we got a Cougar Hyaluronic Acid Face Oil Plump and Firm. Well, I definitely need that for my face. I need it to firmen up because it just needs firming. So then we got a Skin Chemist. What's this? Skin Chemist of London. You are a Day Moisturiser Cream. And then we got a black eye mask. Do you see them? There we go. That's them there. So we got a load of stuff this month. So this is like late night 2 made cheeky wines, and let's not forget the carbs on carb delights. So yeah, so if you need to perk your eyes up, That is what you need. Oh, by the way, I love this eyeshadow. It is the Lord Berry one, and I just love it. It is really nice sort of colour. Right, okay, so we're going to go back through these items, and then I've noticed another thing this month. There is no leaflet at all. I've misplaced it, but there is not. Right, so the first item what we got was this, which is the Retinol Youth Oil. And it just comes in a box like that, and it just is in packaging like that. So let's just have a look at it. It is a little serum, is it? Is it going to pump out? There we go, as you'll see it. It has not much of a scent at all, so there's no scent. Sorry if you can hear noises, that's just my son. And no scent at all for that one, which is good, because you don't want a moisturiser to have a lot of scent. It means it just has added bad things, realistically. Right, so this is the, why is it opened? It's that one. And that's the packaging it comes in. Look, really, really pretty packaging. And it's just like a yellowish colour. As you'll see, it does have a slight scent like powder, which is really nice. I do like that. This consistency is like that. It's like a really sticky gel, and I absolutely love that. That's like a really nice scent to it as well, so I could use that as perfume. It is really, really, really nice. I do like that, so that is good. And then we got, so we've done that. We got this. Now I've never used this, and I've had a lot of people say how good it is. I've heard them on YouTube, on Instagram, going mad about this Nip and Fab hydrating blood pumping serum. So it must be good stuff, but I'm going to try it if I can get this awkward thing off. So we got it off, and now we're just going to put a little tiny bit, it's like clear stuff like that. It has a nice scent to it, but I don't know if it's going to work, but if it works I will let you know about it. So we tried that. Now we're just going to try this. Now this is the, what is it, the lip gloss. It's a pink lip gloss. Wow. Right, I'll try it on. You see it? Very bright, really bright. Oh my gosh, that is like really, really bright, but it's really pretty. I like it. Right, so it's okay, that's fine. Right, so then we got this, and this is like a, you'll see it just comes in a dropper like that. It has a strong nutty smell. So that is that. And then we got this, which is a moisturizer, and I do like the Skin Chemist. I have another one of their moisturizers where I got in, I think it was December's box. I'm not sure which one it was, but it was really, really good. So that is it there. I'll show you it, the packaging it comes in. And then we'll just put a bit on my hand, which is you see it? That is, which is just really, it has a light scent, nothing major, because you don't want a heavy scented moisturiser for your face. So that will be a nice moisturiser. Then we got the Antioxidant Lip Balm. Is it by the same company, The Skin Chemist? No, this is a different one. So then this is the Antioxidant Lip Balm. Keep your lips in good shape, this will. And I think that I might have already had this one before. I'm not really sure, but I think this is one that I've had before. Now I don't want to put it on my lips because I've just put that lip gloss on, but it is a bit, oh, it has a nice smell to it. I don't know if you're able to see, but it's really a nice shimmer. So that's going to be super hydrating for my lips, and that will get rid of any cracked lips that you have. So you don't want cracked lips, you do not want them, they're horrible. And so this is a, what are you, Crabtree and Evelyn Old World Jasmine. Now I'm expecting this to be really a nice scent. Sorry if I'm just moving my fringe around, it's just getting in my eyes. I need to go and get it cut. And so this is like, I'm expecting it to be really nice. Oh, we come across another one of these silver things. Oh, I didn't want to taste it. Oh, that's horrible. It's horrible taste. Right, so this is like really what you need for this type of weather. When you're sitting indoors and you just got the heat on, your skin's going to dry up. I'm sorry for this. This is just my partner coming in. Right, this is a smell of really nice. That is nice scent. So which is the Cougar facial oil. I forgot to show you. Yes, it's really, I have the apple one and it's really nice stuff they have. So this is like, it comes in a dripper like that and you just drip a bit onto your skin. This one doesn't have any scent at all, which is good. I do like the ones that don't have a scent. This is the eyeshadow palette by Sleek, and I just, as you'll see it, it's really nice size just for going into your handbag, and that is what I like about this. And so you see, it's really like handbag size. You see it? We're just going to swatch a few of these. That's a gorgeous colour. Look at that. It's like a bronzy colour, and I'm just going to go through and swatch these, like a few of them, because they are really good for Sleek palette. Sleek palette is usually in Superdrug. You can buy it in there, or anywhere. And I'm just going to show. Can you see those colours? Or maybe I've done it the wrong way. It's just that way, and I'll show you a few of them, which is, they are really pigmented. These are my favourite colours, these ones. That one's a nice one for just starting off on your eyeshadow, and these ones is more like if you're going to do a smoky eye. The back ones, the end ones is always smoky eye. And this one is a really nice colour as well. If I can just show you it. This one is the gold colour. It's not going to show up much. But anyway, so that is just a few of those colours I've... Right, so we've gone through the whole of this box and you get loads of stuff in it. And this is like, I'm just going to put that in there like that and show you the box. Like so this is it. You got loads of stuff in it, and I like the tea that they have put in this month's box. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.